Welcome back to Erika'S Best, and I hope you have enjoyed Bread Week as much as I have, exploring all these new different breads. But today I'm going to do something that I have done many times when I have allowed bananas to get too ripe, or too ripe for me to eat. I like my bananas to be all yellow, and when they start getting brown spots, I start thinking about what I'm going to do with them now, because I don't want to eat them. So anyways, I am going to make banana bread today. And so in this bowl I have 1 1/3 cups of flour, I have 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. I have 3/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to give that a little bit of a mix. And then the wet ingredients. I have 3 bananas right here, and I'm going to put into that 2 eggs. And I'm going to put also 5 tablespoons of butter. And I'm going to mix those things all together. Give this a good mix. You want to make sure all the eggs are mixed up so there's no yellow showing. And then I'm going to also add in about 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix that up. Some people put cinnamon in theirs. I don't particularly like cinnamon in my banana bread. People also put walnuts. I don't like walnuts in my banana bread. I like it to just be bananas with banana bread. So I'm gonna make a little well, which is pushing all of the dry ingredients up the sides to make like a hole in the middle. If you want to see, that's what it looks like. And then I'm going to, it kind of fell all together. So you just want to push the flour up the sides just to give a nice area to put your liquids or your wet ingredients in, like that. So once you get your wet ingredients in, you are going to give them a good mix. You don't want to mix it too long because you don't want it to over mix it. That's always a problem when you're doing a quick bread, over mixing. So you just want to mix it just till it comes together and there's no flour showing in the batter at all. Once that mixture comes together, so this is what the batter should look like. It should be all one cohesive dough. Alright, greased baking pan. I decided I wanted to put mine in this decorative pan, but you can put this in a regular loaf pan. It will bake just fine. But I decided to put it in this pan. A little different. And so I'm just going to pour it around. Okay, so once you get all your dough evenly around in your baking pan, you are going to bake this for about 50 minutes at 350 degrees, and I will see you when it's hot and ready. And so here we are back with the banana bread. And so you want to make sure that when you bake it, you're able to get a nice spring back. That lets you know that it's done. So I'm going to just cut a piece so you can see what it looks like on the inside. You see how that's nice and moist. You have good color all the way around. This is what the top of it looked like, and this is what the inside looks like. It's nice and moist. So I'm not going to eat this piece right now, but I will have it for breakfast in the morning. So this is what it looks like. This is our banana bread. Thanks for watching all of my videos this week during Bread Week. Please subscribe, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And make sure you remember to hit that notification bell so you can be sure to be notified every time I upload a new video. God bless you. Bye-bye for now.